Welcome to our Fun Kids channel, where animals talk, stories sparkle, and every day is a happy adventure. Story of Republic Day celebration in Little Star Children's School. Early in the morning, little children came to school. They cleaned the classrooms and playground happily. The school looked neat and beautiful for Republic Day. The children decorated the school with balloons and flowers. They made a big Happy Republic Day poster. Everyone felt proud and excited. The children practiced a beautiful dance for Republic Day. They moved their hands and feet to the music. It was so much fun. The children sang a lovely patriotic song together. They waved tiny flags and smiled brightly. The hall echoed with happy voices. On Republic Day, the principal hoisted the Indian flag. The children saluted and sang the national anthem. It was a proud and joyful moment.